Hi guys, welcome to Curious Capsule, the untold story of Melody and Parle G. Have you ever heard the famous line, Melody इतनी चॉकलेटी क्यों है? Melody खाओ, खुद जान जाओ. If you grew up in 80s or 90s, chances are this jingle is already playing inside your head right now.
Melody khao khud jaan jao. Parle G, G for genius.
But recently, Melody became famous once again after Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji gifted a pack of Melody chocolates to Italy's Prime Minister Meloni.
Why did PM Modi gift Melody chocolate to Italy's Prime Minister, a small gift from India?
Thank you. It looks delicious.
This moment connects to a 100-year Indian success story, from our hearts to the world.
And suddenly people across the internet started talking about this iconic candy again. I know many of them's favorite would be this Melody. But do you know the story behind the Melody and Parle G is almost 100 years ago? Today, let's explore the fascinating journey of one of the India's most loved brands. The story begins in the year 1929. Listen carefully, guys. It's all for you. At that time, India was still under the British rule. Most of the food products, including biscuits, were imported from foreign countries and considered expensive luxury items.
The story of Parle G begins 100 years ago in British India. Biscuits were a luxury, enjoyed only by a few. One man's vision made quality biscuits for every Indian.
Only British officers and wealthy Indians could afford them. And the one brand was Parle G itself. His name was a man who dreamed of changing that. His name was
For independence, biscuits were luxury products in India, until one man changed everything forever. Mohanlal Dayal Chauhan, the visionary founder of Parle. He made it possible.
Mohanlal Dayal Chauhan, the visionary founder behind this Parle G product. He imported biscuit making machines all the way from Germany and invested around 60,000 to start a small factory in that years. Now remember, this was nearly 100 years ago.
In 1929, a dream began in a small building in Parle. From a simple biscuit, a legacy of quality and trust was built. Today, Parle G is a biggest bluffing biscuit.
Back then, 60,000 was an enormous amount of money. You can imagine, guys. Together with his 5 sons, he established a small factory in a place called Ville Parle in Mumbai. And now you can think over, hence the name. And interestingly, the company took its name from that same locality. That's how the name Parle was born. In 1939, the company became popular after it started the production of glucose biscuits. During the World War II, Parle reportedly received a license to supply biscuits to the British Army. This significantly increased the production and helped the brand spread across India. Slowly, Parle products started entering the Indian homes, railway stations, tea stalls, schools, and markets. And then came the biscuit that would become the legendary Parle G that everybody likes. Originally, it was launched as Parle Gluco, but in the 1960s, many similar glucose biscuits appeared in the markets. To create a strong identity, the company renamed Parle Gluco as Parle G. G stands for, not genius guys, actually G stands for glucose. Now you know it. After India gained independence in 1947, Parle positioned itself as an Indian alternative to foreign brands. How great that was. Over the decades, Parle G became much more than just a biscuit. It became an emotion. Yeah, I know everybody likes it with the tea or coffee. From school, lunch boxes, to train journeys, from rainy evenings with the tea to late night snacks, Parle G became a part of everyday Indian life. And then, in 1983, Parle introduced something that would become another unforgettable icon.
From railway stations to school lunch boxes, this one biscuit became a part of every Indian childhood. Parle G, perfect with chai in every lunchbox, a railway companion, and a chai time buddy. It's not.
चाय तो परफेक्ट है यार. हाँ, और पार्ले जी के साथ बेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन. बिल्कुल, यही असली जिंदगी की खुशी है.
और ट्रेन का इंतजार भी एंजॉय हो गया.
और लो जी, एक और पार्ले जी हो जाए. हाँ भाई, एक और.
That was our Melody chocolate. Wow, Melody khao, khud jaan jao. Melody quickly became one of the most loved candies of 80s and 90s. And even now, it's really liked by everyone. But what made it truly legendary was its catchy advertisement and the unforgettable tagline. That one line became deeply connected with the Indian pop culture. Even today, decades later also, people still remember it instantly. And I know it's in your minds right now also, right? As years passed, Parle-G continued growing rapidly. In fact, in 2011, that is 2011, global research firm Nelson reportedly declared Parle-G the world's best-selling biscuit brand. Think about that for a moment. A small Indian biscuit brand that started in a tiny factory at Parle before independence became one of the most recognized biscuits in the entire world. How great that is! Thanks to Parle-G. And now, where it is a pack of Parle-G with chai or a melody candy bringing back the childhood memories. These products are not just snacks anymore. They are a part of India's history, nostalgia, and the culture. So next time you eat a melody or dip a Parle-G biscuit into the tea, remember you are tasting a story that began nearly 100 of years ago. From a small factory at Villeparle to becoming a household name across the globe. If yes, if really you are eating Parle-G or Melody chocolates even now with that line or the tagline thinking right in your mind, then do not forget to comment, guys, Parle-G and Melody in the comment box. And that, the incredible story of Melody and Parle-G. So follow Curious Capsule for such more fascinating stories hidden inside everyday things. Thank you.